Hello, today we're going to look at the chemical family aldehydes. So aldehydes typically are, we recommend you use them in low dose, mostly because they oxidize readily and they can be very irritant to the skin. Now this is less relevant to us today because the blend we're going to make is a home recipe. So we're going to make a 10ml, 15ml stock bottle blend that you can use in your mop bucket when you're doing the floors. You can use it in hot soapy water if you want to. So instead of using synthetic chemicals to clean your home, you can use pure essential oils. It smells better, it's more antiviral, it's better for everyone in the house. So we are going to focus on aldehydes for this blend today. So the skin irritation risk with aldehydes is of less concern today. So the oils we're going to use are lemon, grapefruit, Eucalyptus Citriodora and Citronella Java. So the component that we're most concerned about within aldehydes is the citronellal, which is very, very high in Citronella Java. It's mostly all Citronella Java. And this blend itself is going to be 40% aldehyde and 39% citronellal, which mostly comes from the Java. So it's a really simple blend. It's a stock bottle. So I've made stock bottles with you guys before. So it's really simple. All you have to do is make a full stock bottle, whatever size you want. I'm just going to do 10 drops of each of the 4 essential oils today so you can see them. Normally when I do this from my own home, I'll make a 50ml bottle of pure oil and then I'll just add a few drops of the stock bottle into whatever product I'm using to clean. So even if you're using, like EcoEver, like a good product to clean your home, add a few drops of this essential oil blend into it. It's just so much better for your surfaces. It's better for your lungs than breathing in synthetic cleaning products. So Eucalyptus Citriodora, I love to clean the home. It's very strong in aldehydes as well itself. And I'm going to use grapefruit. I'm going to use 10 drops of grapefruit. I don't need to use grapefruit in this. The reason I'm using it is if I don't use it, my blend is very citrusy and very harsh, which grapefruit gives it that nice lighter tone. I've got an air block. So 10 drops in this one. And then I'm going to use lemon. So you can use lemongrass if you want. You can use any of the other citruses. It depends on also what you like for smell. I love spearmint in a cleaning product also in the home, but I'm going to stick with lemon and keep it very clean. So 10 drops of lemon. Lemon is really high in D-limonene as well, which is very antiviral, antifungal and anti-infectious. So anything that's really high in D-limonene, which is a monoterpene, is brilliant in a cleaning product as well. So that's my 4 essential oils. It's really simple. Make as much stock bottle as you want. Keep it out of the reach of kids because it is very high in aldehyde, so you want to keep it in a safe place. Always stored in a dark bottle and somewhere out of reach. Let me know if you try it and let me know what you think. Thanks guys.